Have you ever stopped to think about the effort it took to make your favorite foods? Today, we are taking a look at some of the amazing modern agriculture machines that are on another level. Watch until the end to see how many of these inventions you knew existed. The last one might surprise you. Sweet potatoes require heat and humidity to grow big. Big rollers are then used to move the harvest into storage to be shipped. The Damcon multi-strike gantry tractors are designed for crops that need to be planted in narrow rows. They can handle rows 70 to 150 centimeters. The ideal harvest of the gantry tractors is strawberry, blueberry, shrub, and conifer. For proper rope sowing technique, seeds are placed in neat lines inside ditches. To maximize the time and efficiency, a combine harvester can be used in this impressive setup. The garlic planter, while it looks complicated, is surprisingly very simple and a completely mechanical machine. Thanks to modern technology, this brick-making machine can produce an impressive 60,000 bricks per day. The Silver Fox 03 harvester accommodates different sized fruits and various solid conditions, making this chore incredibly fast and easy. To promote adequate plant spread and maximize fruit growth, the branches of the vines are spread by hand and then fastened to the wire support. The Kuhn LSB 1290 ID is a large, square baler that makes an incredibly highly dense bale regardless of the circumstances. This chain excavator can be driven upon operation. It can dig trenches that are 45 centimeters deep and 11 centimeters wide. To make the tree removal process easier, this device compacts the branches before digging the tree up. This Weed Zapper Annihilator is a revolutionary piece of equipment that is unlike any other weed elimination solution. Using electricity, it can kill weeds down to the root in as little as one pass. The Sherpa represents the beginning of technology for self-propelled food mixing. This machine is extremely agile and ideal for confined yards because of its rear swing axle. A variety of plastic materials can be used for these grain bags. This attachment can mulch an entire tree into a stump. Instead of bringing cows in, various procedures and inspections can be done out in the field. Stump removal is not a match for this machine. This green onion transplanter gadget runs without gas. A mill machine produces pellets from dry twigs. Preparing the soil is easily done thanks to this rotating tiller. With the aid of a gas-powered road tractor, potatoes are picked with ease. Have you ever seen a tractor jump a fence before? A new spin on hedge trimmers for branches and bushes. Baby cows eat from an industrial feeder's teats. With the aid of a drill and a small hole, corn is shucked. Carrot harvest is a tranquil and satisfying process. After planting miscanthus rhizomes, the land gets zipped back up. To minimize tree damage, this machine rounds out the bottom of the tree. Diversely positioned spinning arms encircle a hay bale. Making mulch has never been easier or more satisfying. Packaging leeks to have them grab and go ready for the market. soil was turned over by a disc ridge to make crop planting quick and simple. Thanks to this machine, planting has become much faster. While this is a fascinating way to trim trees, I hate to be driving behind this guy. A tractor with a shaking catch harvests oranges. Tilling the soil is completed in record time and is mesmerizing to watch. Going through fields and picking up hay bales is done in no time thanks to this machine. To make watering ducts, farming rows are bladed out. A fast feeding line in the making. A dirt grinder creates the ideal hole for growing ginseng. This combine harvester in action is tranquil and a huge time saver. Cow feed is packaged in rectangular cubes in a matter of seconds. The precision to the rows is truly a satisfying art form. A melon's rind is quickly removed, stored, and transported in this attachment. Hay bales are picked up by the stack load and moved by the hydraulic arm. A simple but reliable mechanism for filling bags. Before we continue, if you have enjoyed this video, please let us know and subscribe. This technology allows for harvesting sod with satisfying precision. Red carpet, we have our own hay carpet. Apples are rolled out and filled into baskets for transport. Some days the little ones need a lift. Gas-powered machine for cultivating the crusty soil surface and allows for air, nutrients, and water to reach the plant roots. 9,000 birds can be easily collected and transported in an hour thanks to this farming machine. The only thing crazier than these machines is that if you don't watch another fascinating video like this,